Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix allow access to camera missing on iPhone apps. To check, firstly, you may open an app. Here, I'm opening my Snapchat for now. You can see here that I am unable to access camera. So now to fix this, you may have to go back and then go to settings. Once you open settings, then you may scroll down and then tap on screen time. Now from here, you will have to again scroll down. Now under restrictions, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now from here, you will have to go to allowed apps and features, which is right under iTunes and App Store purchases. Here you can see that my camera and my FaceTime feature is off. So you will have to turn it on by tapping on the button next to those apps and then turning them on. Now you may go back and then you can see that content and privacy restrictions are turned on. Now you will have to turn them off by tapping on the button next to content and privacy restrictions. Now again, you may go back and then check if your app has access to your camera or not. You can see here that it still is unable to access camera. Now again, to fix this, you may go back to settings and then now you will have to go to privacy. For that, you'll have to scroll down and then now you can see at the bottom, privacy and security. Tap on that. Once this opens, then here you can see a list of your apps. Now you will have to go on camera, which is at the 10th. Once you tap on camera, then here you can see the camera feature is disabled for various apps like Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. Now that is why it is not working. So you will have to tap on the button next to each of these apps to turn them on. This will simply allow camera access in those apps. Now again, to check, you may go back and then open the app. Here, you can see that the camera access is finally given and Snapchat is finally working on my phone. In any case, if camera access is still not working on your app, then you may have to reinstall that app. This is how you can easily fix allow access to camera missing on iPhone apps. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.